How do I count the occurrence of a certain item in an array? How do I count the number of zeros and ones in the following array? y.count0 gives numpy.Ndarray object has no attribute count.
Using numpy.unique. Non-numpy method using collections.counter.
What about using numpy.count_non-zero, something like?
Personally, I'd go for y=0, .sum and y=1, .sum. For example,
for your case you could also look into numpy.binCount.
If you know that they are just 0 and 1, gives you the number of ones. np.sum 1 year gives the zeros. For slight generality, if you want to count 0 and not 0, but possibly 2 or 3, gives the number of non-zero. But if you need something more complicated, I don't think numpy will provide a nice count option. In that case, go to collections. This behaves like a dict.
This was a